Hey, what's up, everybody? Drew, aka Catching Rockets here. Done. It would be good night, I guess. It's almost 11 here, 5 minutes to 11. Um, but yeah, I just wanted to. Yeah, I've had a busy day. I'm sure most people know my wife's pregnant. We had a doctor's appointment this morning, and I came home and I traded for probably all of like 15 minutes at the most. Or probably traded for like 5 minutes. I sat at my computer for about 15 minutes and then off to the gym with my son, and pretty much been there all day. So just getting home, just finished dinner, fed the dogs. Oh, thank you. Appreciate that. Um, and then looked at some stocks because I feel like, so far it's been a pretty busy week for me, and I haven't had a chance to go over any plays for you guys, and I wanted to hook you up a little bit. Um, anyway, this is going to be a shorty. I'm not going to be doing requests or anything like that. I looked at all the big stuff, SPY, QQQ. I don't see any specific setups. We're at all-time highs. So I did find some stuff, and that's what I'm going to cover. Just not going to do requests because I need to get to bed. We're going to recap CRM. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, but I'm pretty disappointed. I feel like we were moving in the right direction as far as our win to loss ratio. CRM basically triggered, went up whatever 50 points or 50 cents, I'm sorry, rejected and sold off pretty hard. So this was a miss. Our next one, whoa, I don't know what just happened. Oh, I scrolled over really far. So as you can see, I'm very tired. Expedia, I believe we're still in this, right? Yeah, this one this was a 2 week out swing trade. Um, yeah, so I wouldn't have got stopped out yet. It came pretty close. Within like 40 cents of stopping me out. And then we sold off pretty good the next day. This is assuming that I'm playing all the way down to 118. We do have a further target down here, but I'm pretty sure when I covered this, I said 116.45 is doable, 114.42 is doable, but we're probably going to have some bounces before we get down to here. So just targeting 118.12, I would still be in this trade. If I was targeting lower, my stop loss would be a little bit higher, and I'd still be in the trade. Okay, but not great. GME, I don't even know if it triggered. I think it's sold off, or, well, it looks like it triggered today. This was a day trade, so. Oh, wait. Why do I? Oh, okay. This entry here was if we opened above like our entry or our first trim, you could take long here. So I think this is still a fail, right? Like, actually, it's a win. Right? No, I have it marked as a miss. This was for the 10th. Sorry, let me look at the dates. That's the 7th. This is the 10th. Oh, did it just barely trigger? 28.37? Yeah. So we went 2 cents over the trigger and then dumped. If anybody happened to catch this, we did start to get the move we're looking for. Wouldn't be surprised if tomorrow we hit 32.71. So anyway, 2 misses. CRM, and Xperia, or sorry, CRM, GME, Xperia is still open, and of course Netflix was the banger, right? But I said that when we did the video. For me, people may have got stopped out. I wouldn't blame you if you did. But for me, following my rules, 2-to-1 risk to reward, I would not get stopped out on this trade. I'd still be in it, and my target would still be 650 and 46 cents. Okay. So now we'll get into the trades that I am looking at. The first one is going to be PDD. Let me move this off the screen out of the way. Oh, excuse me. I am really tired. So, yeah, over 147.65 calls. First trim 148.66, so just over a point. And then ultimately close calls at 150. I would be shocked if we don't hit 150. This is going to be a swing trade. You want to take contracts at least 2 days out. And I would be surprised if we don't make the full move in a day. But you want an extra day just in case, it's slightly choppy. But should be able to reach 150 pretty easily. And then my second and only other trade is going to be Tesla. Kind of disappointed that I only found 2 trades, but I feel like they're both good, high quality setups, and hopefully it makes people money. Yeah, see, JC, the whole issue with that is I don't do positive catalysts. I don't do news. Actually, I veer away from news. So when there's news, I just I'm not interested in trading it, because you can't look at a chart and say, oh, news is going to affect us this way. You really just have no idea. What you think might be good news can make the stock crash or dump or sell off, and what you think is bad news can make it rip. And there's just no knowing which way news is going to affect it. And sometimes what you think is good news isn't. What was it, Apple? Yesterday, I heard they were talking about AI or something like that, and I think everybody was expecting Apple to just start ripping yesterday because they were talking about AI, and it didn't. And then today it just absolutely rocketed, right? So if you took a swing, or if you took an Apple call yesterday and it was a day trade, I think you would have just got chopped out and you would have missed it, because the move happened today. But they were talking, did some, whatever it was, I don't know, conference call or something, and they were talking about AI or whatever. I know it wasn't earnings, but there was some kind of a Apple event. I don't really follow news, so but I know there was an Apple event. They were talking about AI. People were expecting a reaction based on positive catalysts, and again, just nothing happened. It chopped sideways. So anyway, with all that said, my second trade is going to be Tesla. Puts below 167.40 and close at 163.70. And that's going to do it for this video, guys. I know it's really short, but like I said, I just wanted to get this out there for you guys. Oh, and Tesla is going to be a day trade. So PDD, take contracts at least 2 days out. Make sure that the contracts that you buy have open interest over 800 or 1,000. I don't like to give specific plays, but the contracts I looked at, I want to say the open interest was 5,000, and the price was reasonable, and the spreads were good as well. Tesla, I don't even need to look at them. I know that the spreads will be decent, and there's plenty of contracts that you can look at it on Tesla. But so yeah, just the 2 trades that I'm watching for tomorrow. Hopefully Xperia plays out. We're still swinging that one, and that's going to do it. Oh, at the beginning of the video, I forgot to say, I really want to, say thank you to everybody. I've been asking people to, give thumbs up and, to post a message or whatever, saying if a trade worked out or just say thank you or whatever. And the feedback's actually been pretty huge. I've been pretty surprised. You guys have been killing it. I really appreciate it. And like I said, as long as there appears to be interest, I'll keep doing these videos for you guys. Awesome. Thank you, JC. I appreciate that. So yeah, like I said, as long as you guys are interested, I'll keep doing the videos. And I always say this, like, that's not a threat. Like, I'm not trying to force people to react with the videos. But if it doesn't seem like there's interest, there's just no reason for me to put these out. But so far, it seems like everybody's loving it. And like I said, I just wanted to say thank you. I appreciate the feedback. I appreciate the love. And of course, that's going to keep me motivated to do it. And happy to do it. And hopefully we all make money together. It hasn't been bad overall. Like, I am a little bit down, like I said, just like 3 misses in a row just kind of stung. We were, just killing it through here and here. But our win-loss ratio is not terrible. Like, we're doing good. But I was finally feeling really good through this section here. And like I said, I normally have like an 80% win rate. So when stuff like this happens, it doesn't affect my trading emotionally. Like, you always have to stay disciplined and, not let things get you down when you're actually trading and in trades. But after the fact, I look back, and more so, like, I'm sharing these trades with you guys, and I hate to see other people lose money. So it's a little tough on me to take 3 hits in a row like this, but it is what it is. It's going to happen. That's just, the odds of playing or of being a day trader is you just play probabilities, and sometimes the probabilities don't work out in our favor, right? But consistency, taking your targets, playing your levels, that's how you make it in this game. So like I said, hopefully you guys are making money. Hopefully we all make money together moving forward. And that's going to do it for this video. Thank you all very much. Much love. Peace out. I'll see you on the next one.